This is it. Feels like we're going up.
Roller coaster!
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do! You're about to die!
You sound like my doctor!
Ah, my next big dish. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun!
Only they said to stay seated!
Oh, that's a load of carpet! I always get sick flying backwards! Hey, I can see our car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, ball! We're both big and round and never finished high school!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth! You're all gonna die! There's another Viking 12, and there's a kiddie ride. At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ!
There's another
You just say we!
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids!
It just gets better and better.
Because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Beer!
It's a temptation!
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time!
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient whale!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit! Marge! Stay away from the ramp! I mean ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all!
The radiation into Maggie!
They grow up so fast!
Cut on, tourists!
Do not fear, a bird is here.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield!
Careful, the baby is wet and presumed drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper!
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
You break it, you pocket!
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Get those tourists out of your mouth! You don't know where they've been!
Home sweet home! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
That's for nothing, Gravity! I'm being hurt! This must be the part where they take your picture, okay? Smile!
You got 5 seconds to kill somebody! Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?